Hi friends, welcome to Motivate Your Child. See, today we are going to see some of the queries sent by the parents. I will be reading the query first, then I will be answering to the query. So the person who has sent this as well as even others can understand how that particular topic is handled. Fine, let me look at the first query. Which is the appropriate timing for children to study? Actually, the query is sent by a mother. So I think she means which time, meaning which hours is appropriate for a child to study. See, I think I have answered this partially in one of my episodes, videos, I think. Anyway, as there is a query from this mother, let me make it one more time clarified. See, normally, in higher levels, when you look at the college going children, they have a habit of studying late night, meaning they study up to 1:30 2 a.m. morning 2 o'clock, and they sleep for some 4 hours and get up at 6, again hurry to the college or wherever they are studying. Actually, it is because of their wrong habit they became like that. The appropriate timing for children to study should be morning hours. See, why morning hours? The reason is, from the experience how much I have spent with my students at different levels, the students who were really doing morning hour study, they are really keeping that information. They are memorizing things very fast. They get registered with the content for a longer period. So the purpose or the meaning is, morning hours, 2-3 ways the hours are different from other time. Because one thing, the atmosphere is very much in favor of you. No other noise pollutions. All the members in the family positively they are sleeping. And no other disturbance like TV, from some other house something is happening, some songs are happening, nothing. You are all the way alone positively at your home and you are studying. Concentration is very much possible. You can listen to what you are reading because distractions are zero. So that is the best hour for a child to start studying. Maybe 4:30 if the child is able to get up. 4:30 to 6:30, 7 in the morning. 2.5 hours is the appropriate best time for the child to study, learn things. Late hour studies should be discouraged. Let the children sleep by 10 o'clock. 10:30, fine, no issues. 10:35, 10 to 4:30, that is enough for a child to have good health and as well as good study approach. So the appropriate timing is morning hours. I am just giving a suggestion. You apply it on your child and see is it working well. Wish you all the best. Bye.